Heart warmth massage is a gentle therapeutic practice focused on emotional comfort and inner healing. This calming technique uses slow hands, mindful breathing, and soft intention around the chest area. The touch feels nurturing, safe, and deeply reassuring for tired hearts. Warm palms help release stored tension, emotional heaviness, and unspoken stress. Heart warmth massage encourages relaxation by activating the parasympathetic nervous response. Each movement is slow, respectful, and guided by presence rather than pressure. This practice is ideal after emotional days, grief, or moments of deep reflection. The warmth creates a sense of being held, supported, and gently understood. Soft rhythms help the breath slow down naturally and smoothly. Over time, the heart space feels lighter, calmer, and more open. Heart warmth massage is often paired with whisper guidance or quiet ambient sounds. It supports emotional balance, self-compassion, and a renewed sense of safety. This soothing experience invites rest, trust, and peaceful connection within. It gently reminds the body that warmth and care are always available inside you.